In life, there will be doubters, there'll be haters, there'll be distractions, there'll be trials and tribulations that may come your way. They may lead you to feeling terrible about yourself, terrible about the situation that you're in, or whatever. You might be looking for ways to get revenge, but trust me, the biggest revenge is you being successful. You prospering and you thriving is the biggest revenge you can ever have. To do that, set goals for yourself, smart goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Know what you want to do. Give yourself a purpose. And that fuel will drive you to the top. That way, at least you're breaking big problems into smaller problems that you can easily do. Be aware that challenges will come your way. It's important for you to implement meditation and affirmations so that you can clear your thoughts, so that you can focus on the right things rather than focusing on the irrelevant things that you just don't need in your mind. It's also important for you to live in the moment and think rationally rather than think emotionally. Meditation helps, even if you give yourself 5 minutes a day. That way you can focus on your breathing and focus on being present in the moment. Ignore the haters. You don't have time for that. You know who you are, or at least you should know who you are. So don't let what they have to say affect you. Pay them no mind. Focus on a big goal, which is you being successful. At the end of the day, that is your biggest revenge. Use affirmations to always remind yourself of who you are. Never forget who you are, and don't be defined by another man's opinion. For them man's opinion don't matter. Give yourself a schedule when working hard, when hustling. I understand the difficulties of trying to balance everything. So it's important for you to plan how long you'll spend on one thing and how long you'll spend on the next. And give yourself time to do the things that you enjoy. If not, you'll burn out. You'll be a whole lot more productive if you just plan everything. That way you can even fit in a workout here and there. You'll have a better sleeping schedule. You'll even have time for meditation. You'll have time to learn a whole lot more. In the grand scheme, if you look at the bigger picture, you'll be more productive than just doing 10 hours one day and then 5 hours the next, and then 2 hours the next, and then eventually 0 hours. Therefore, get yourself a schedule that you actually will follow, that's actually sustainable, that's actually realistic. Explore new things too. Always look to try and learn new things every single day. It doesn't even need to be big. You could try and learn something small. That way, at least you know something that you didn't know the day before. Always look for opportunities and challenge yourself. Have that hustler's eye. Have that hustler's ambition. Always look for challenges. Throw yourself in these challenges so that you can become the best version of yourself. Don't be afraid. Celebrate the progress that you make along the way, even the smallest steps. And also keep yourself around the right people that have your best interest at heart. Celebrate your goals. Celebrate achieving your goals with them. It's important. That'll keep you motivated along the journey. That's it from me today, but I'll leave you with this one last gem. You're worth a lot. You're very valuable. Your value doesn't come just based off of what you've got, all your possessions, all your clothes. It's not based off of that. It's based off of what's inside. Know that. You're worth so much. Keep going. You'll make it to the big goal that you're trying to achieve eventually. Just work hard and keep going. I believe in you. But then that's it. That's it from me. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And have a good day, have a good evening, have a good morning, afternoon, whatever it is. And hey, take care.